Hello everyone, welcome to another Fun Fact Friday. I'm Dr. Sam, and with the holiday season around the corner, I thought we'd talk a little bit about emergencies because this is when those kinds of things happen, right? When there's 20 other things going on. So I just wanted to give you guys some tips and tricks, things we look at here in the hospital. One of them being, what do you do when you have an emergency? First thing, call us. There's lots of tips we can give you to help you decide, truly is this an emergency and that you need to rush down here or not, first of all, and some things that you can check at home so we know, can you come to us or do you just need to go to the closest veterinarian, the closest place that you can get to because it is critical emergency. Some of these things we may have you check are how they're breathing and their heart rate, pulses, gum color, are their gums nice and pink or are they super pale, those kinds of things. What is an emergency? I know this I get asked a lot. Breathing issues are considered an emergency. Extreme changes in heart rate, really low or really high. These are emergencies. Actively seizing or even having a seizure is considered an emergency. And then of course, if you, the famous one, if you ate something, got into a toxin. So on that note, let's talk about toxins and things. The biggest thing that we wish that you guys would know is to bring it with you. If your dog ate rat poison, there's multiple different kinds and they have different things that we need to give to counteract the chemical that they ate. So we need to know what kind they're giving. And most of the time, we don't know what kind we put out, but bring it with you. Then we can figure it out from there. Plants, bring the leaf of the plant that they ate if we're concerned the plant could be toxic. Chocolate, bring the wrapper or a picture of the chocolate so that we know what percentage of cocoa is in there. Were there nuts like macadamia nuts that can be toxic that were in there, those kinds of things. And then medicines. If they ate your grandmother or your medicine, bring it in again so that I know what kind of medication it is. It only helps me able to treat your pet faster and to the best of our abilities if we know what they got into and what kind of chemical it is. This is so important. We need to know these active ingredients. And then the other thing that gets ingested oftentimes, and this can be a touchy subject for a lot of people, is illicit drugs. Things like marijuana and other things, oxycodone, things like that. I want to say this for you guys. We are not here to judge. We just want to know what your pet got into so that we can treat your pet to the best of our ability and help your pet. We are not required to report it. Kind of when you're out the other, I just need to know so that I can make sure your pet gets the best possible care. We are not here to judge. We are not here to do anything to anybody. We just need to know what they got into so I can get them the best care and the fastest care that we can possibly get. So make sure you're honest with your veterinarians. We're here to help you. That's what we want to do. That's what we get into this for, is to help your pet. So just be honest with us so we can help you do that. And of course, the biggest and most important part is stay calm. We always get very freaked out. Trust me, I've been there. My dog got bloat last year. Emergencies are scary, but staying calm, call us. We'll talk you through what to do next, where to go, and what we need to have happen. But staying calm for your pet can help with their anxiety level, but also to help us get your pet the best care as fast as possible if we remain calm, ask questions, those kinds of things. So I hope this gave you guys a little insight into what we consider an emergency, what we need to do when we see an emergency, and what the next steps are, so that now you know what to do next time. Bring it with you if you have a chemical or something they got into, and call us. Those are the two biggest things. If I can have you remember two things: call us, we can help you out, and we need to know so we can make sure we're prepared for your pet when they get here. That's a big thing for us. And then bring whatever they got into if they got into something. So I hope you guys have a great holiday season going forward. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'm always looking at them to answer them. If you have ideas for the next Fun Fact Friday, leave that in the comments below. I always want to talk about what you guys want to hear about. Give this video a like and a share. Get this information out there. The more pets we can help, the better. And we will see you guys next Friday.